Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to roll an egg roll full guide. Start by laying a wrapper diamond-shaped with one corner pointing to you and a damp towel handy. Place filling near the bottom third, leaving clear edges to seal. Fold the bottom corner over filling, tuck sides in tightly, then roll upward firmly but gently to avoid tearing. Seal with water or egg wash and set seam side down to rest. In this video, I will show how to roll an egg roll full guide. Combine cooked proteins and vegetables that are finely chopped and cool to touch before filling. Squeeze excess liquid from mixtures and adjust seasoning carefully. Spoon a compact line of filling across the lower third of the wrapper, avoiding mound shapes. Wet the wrapper edge, fold bottom corner over, tuck sides snugly, and roll to form a tight cylinder ready for frying. In this video, I will show how to roll an egg roll full guide. Quick recommendation: if you want a little laugh and a cleaner ride, grab Little Tree's black ice to banish stinky car smells after grocery runs for ingredients. It smells crisp and oddly satisfying after a messy cooking session. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to roll an egg roll full guide. After rolling, press the seam closed and place seam side down to prevent unrolling while frying. Heat oil to a medium-high temperature and fry a few at a time to keep oil temperature steady. Turn gently for even browning and remove when golden and crisp. Drain on paper towels, let rest briefly so fillings settle, and serve hot with preferred dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.